Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Studios. Here's a bike that we haven't talked about yet. This is a Micro Mini Pocket Crotch Rocket that I got in exactly this condition. Although I do have the motor and it's beat. So for $49 I ordered a motor. And I ordered an exhaust pipe, and I ordered a little mini gas tank, and a number 25 chain, and I'm gonna make a seat, and I am gonna rip this thing. So you're gonna see an episode coming up of the little pocket bike build. This here is the little fuel tank I picked up. Super cheap, super generic. I like that it just had like a hole in a hole. It's supposed to be hidden by fairings. There is no fairings on the little mini crotch rocket, so I'm just gonna retrofit this in there with some kind of straps or brackets. It's super cheap. $10.95 and free shipping, coming from Carbondale, Illinois. I should have it in a couple days, which is really nice. So yeah, I did like the fact that it had these two holes. It's like a rectangular tank. It's tiny. It's meant for it's very simple down here. Just like jam a hose on there with a clamp, ink, you know, a little springy clamp, and just like a weed whipper. So I'm happy with this for 10 bucks, 11 bucks. So some items I guess you have to pay up for. I searched and searched for options for exhaust pipes, and you're still going to pay $31. There's no, I mean, if there's one that's $28, but then there's like it says not new, read description. Well, I can't read in the description. What does it have, a dent in it? You know, for another $1 I'm going to get a brand new one. So some items you have to pay up for, other ones that there's not that you could negotiate, but it is what it is. It's coming from America. It's it'll be here by, you know, in a couple days, and we'll you know, you need it. What are you going to do? So here's the motor that I went with. I was looking for one that had a silver or bare metal, but I don't know. I mean, for a couple dollars, I get the carburetor, I get an air filter, like, you know, pit bikey. I got the sprocket and the clutch, everything, you know. I did not have to overpay for this. This was like, actually I need 2 more of these. I have 2 scooters, and they both take these bolt down. They got bolts at the bottom, which is let's see if I can find another picture. See, this is looking at the bottom of it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and like it's a weed whipper motor, but not, weed whippers don't have this bolt pattern. And a clutch. Well, some old ones do have clutches like this. So it's a 49cc, and this is looking at it's upside down here, looking at, I'm going to paint this shroud. I hope it's not plastic. I hope it's at least metal. So I did not verify that. Number 25 chain. It's not a chain that you could get locally, I'll tell you that. I have tried to find this for my scooters, and one scooter when I bought it didn't have a chain. Actually, both of them didn't have a chain. So I had to buy this once I tracked down what size it was. It's number 25. It's tiny. It's meant for like 40 to 49 cc's, and it's perfect for scooters and little pocket bikes. So I bought 10 feet of this. It's on its way. We are still in the process of doing the General Lee build, And we are also still in the process of doing the Roadrunner build. But until my parts come in, we're going to work on this. So with the shipping these days, I'm waiting on parts for so long that I got to have 3 projects going. So this is going to be fun. It's going to be so tiny and ridiculous. It's going to be like a big fat cow on Fat Man in a Little Coat is exactly right.